Take question 3. Write any two sets by the listing method and by the rule method. Let us take the first example. Let us take days of a week. Now days of a week, we can write it by the listing method. In listing method or by rule method, always we have to first name the set. So let us use any alphabet. Okay, so say suppose we are taking a set, say L. L is equal to days of a week. So we start, say suppose with the day Sunday. So we have Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we have written this set in the listing method. What is the other word for listing method? It is roster method. So we have written in the listing method or roster method. Now the same thing we have to now write by the rule method. So now we write here rule method. Rule method, we name the set as the same. We don't put another name. Why? Because it is the same set but it is written in a different method. So say suppose this is a set L. L is the set of all. Now you can take any other alphabet. Say suppose I take Y. L is the set of all Y such that, that is a vertical line, Y is a day of the week. So what is rule method? We write a rule of what will actually be the elements in a set. So we have completed the one of the example. Let us take a second example. Let us take the set of integers. Set of integers. Now when I say set of integers, you know that integers is usually represented by the letter I. So let me write. First I have to write which method I am using. So I write here listing method. Listing method. I use the letter I is equal to. Now when we write the set of integers, you remember that in the center we have 0 and on the left hand side we have negative integers and on the right hand side we have positive integers. So here we have -1, -2, -3 and here we can put dot dot dot. So it carries on here. And on the right hand side of 0 we have 1, 2, 3, put a comma and then put a dot. So it carries on this. So this is how we write it in the listing method, the set of integers. The same thing if I want to write it by the rule method. How will I write? I use the same letter here. That is I. I is the set of all. Now let me take here Z such that Z is an, what is it? It should be an integer. So Z is an integer. Or in other words, how we can write it? We can say I is the set of all Z such that Z belongs to I. Okay, we can use the symbol belongs to and write Z belongs to I. I'll write it here. We can also write it as or I is equal to the set of all z such that z belongs to I, means it belongs to the set of integers. Okay, so this is the third question.